Hello friends, myself Professor Rajendra Baburao Gharse, working as a Head of Electrical Engineering Department at NB Navle Siangad College of Engineering, Solapur. I am having a teaching experience of 9 years. I have completed BE Electrical from Government College of Engineering, Karad and MTech from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. I have secured All India 7th rank in the GATE examination. Today, we are going to discuss about the interconnection of two or more two-port networks, right? So in this section we are going to discuss the series connection of two or more two-port networks, right? So as we know, when the two branches are connected in series, right, then the voltage gets divided and the current flowing through them, it will be same, right? So here interconnection of two two-port networks, right? We are going to discuss it for two two-port networks, and again we are going to generalize it for the n two-port networks, right? Okay, so let us consider first case, the series connection of two two-port networks. Okay, suppose we are having the two-port networks, that is a network A and a network B. These are the two-port networks, right? Network A and the network B, right? So network A variables are V1 dash I1 dash and V2 dash I2 dash. Network A Z parameters are Z11 dash, Z12 dash, Z21 dash and Z22 dash. Network B, the variables are V1 double dash, I1 double dash, V2 double dash and I2 double dash. And the Z parameters of network B are Z11 double dash, Z12 double dash, Z21 double dash and Z22 double dash, right? We have connected these two ports in series, right? Means the input ports of the network A and the network B are connected in series, as well as the output ports of the network A and network B are also connected in series. Okay, so here we are having the total input voltage is V1. Okay, this voltage is divided as V1 dash and V1 double dash. So if you check, the potential difference between these two is V1 dash. Again this point is connected here, right? So whatever the potential here, the same potential will appear here. Again, what is the potential difference between these 2 points? It is a V1 double dash, right? So we can say that V1 is equal to V1 dash plus V1 double dash, right? And whatever the current here, yes, this current is I1. Again I1 and I1 dash both are same, yes, right? This I1 dash again after circulating through the network A, right, two-port network A, it will come back as an I1 dash only. The same I1 dash here flowing as that of the I1 double dash. So can we say that I1 dash is equal to I1 double dash, right? And again the I1 double dash is also coming out. Whatever the incoming current, the same outgoing current will be from the network, right? So here I1 double dash, here it is also I1 double dash. So we can say that I1 is equal to I1 dash, which is equal to I1 double dash, right? So currents are same, right? And the voltage is divided, V1 is divided as V1 dash and V1 double dash, right? So we can say that the input ports of the two-port networks are connected in series, right? So let us check for the output ports. Okay, what is the total input? It is a V2. It is divided as V2 dash and V2 double dash, right? Or if we apply KVL here, it is like plus V2 minus V2 dash minus V2 double dash is equal to 0. So V2 is equal to V2 dash plus V2 double dash, right? Again, can we say that I2 is equal to I2 dash, right? And again, what is I2 dash? That will be same as that of the I2 double dash. So we can say that I2 is equal to I2 dash, which is equal to I2 double dash, right? So next, one more thing here, apart from these two networks, right, these two-port networks, we are having one more two-port network, right? Let us denote that two-port network, right, as overall two-port network. Okay, so this is the overall two-port network. The variables of the overall two-port network are V1 I1, V2 and I2. V1 I1, V2 I2, these are the overall two-port network variables, right? So overall two-port network consists of series connected to two-port networks. Series connected to two-port networks. So in this section, we are going to derive the Z parameters of the overall two-port network in terms of Z parameters of network A and the network B. Are you getting the point, right? So we are having network A, network B. These two are connected in series, right? So V1 is equal to V1 dash plus V1 double dash. V2 is equal to V2 dash plus V2 double dash. At the same time, I1 is equal to I1 dash, which is equal to I1 double dash, and I2 is equal to I2 dash, which is equal to I2 double dash, right? Z11 dash, Z12 dash, Z21 dash, and Z22 dash. These are the Z parameters of network A. Z11 double dash, Z12 double dash, Z21 double dash, and Z22 double dash. These are the Z parameters of network B, right? So here, yes, the variables of network A and network B as well as the overall two-port network are given, right? Next. So from network A, yes, as we know, the network A Z parameters are Z11 dash, Z12 dash, Z21 dash, and Z22 dash, right? And as we know, the characteristic equation of the Z parameters, yes, Z parameters gives express, that is a port voltages in terms of port currents, right? So here from network A, with the help of Z parameters, right, we can write it as V1 dash and V2 dash, that is the network A input port voltage and network A output port voltage, that is V1 dash and V2 dash, right, in terms of I1 dash and I2 dash, right? So we can write it as V1 dash is equal to Z11 dash into I1 dash plus Z12 dash into I2 dash, and V2 dash is equal to Z21 dash into I1 dash plus Z22 dash into I2 dash. Similarly, for network B, yes, we can write it as V1 double dash, that is a network B input port voltage, that is a V1 double dash is equal to Z11 double dash into I1 double dash plus Z12 double dash into I2 double dash. Also V2 double dash, that is a output port voltage of network B, is equal to Z21 double dash into I1 double dash plus Z22 double dash into I2 double dash, right? So again from figure, yes, we can write V1 is equal to V1 dash plus V1 double dash. Okay, so here can we replace this V1 dash and V1 double dash with equation 1 and equation 3? Yes, that is V1 is equal to Z11 dash I1 dash plus Z12 dash I2 dash plus Z11 double dash in I1 double dash plus Z12 double dash into I2 double dash, right? So here, but what is a I1 and I1 dash and I1 double dash all are equal. I2 is equal to I2 dash is equal to I2 double dash. These are also equal. So can we write it as V1 is equal to Z11 dash into I1 plus Z12 dash into I2, right? Plus Z11 double dash into I1 plus Z12 double dash into I2. So further we can write V1 is equal to Z11 dash plus Z11 double dash into I1 plus Z12 dash plus Z12 double dash into I2. Are you getting the point? So here we are having V1, that is the input port voltage of overall two port network in terms of I1 and in terms of V1 in terms of I1 and I2, that is the input port voltage of overall two port network in terms of port currents of overall two port network. So can we say that this is nothing but the Z11 of overall two port network, this is Z12 of overall two port network. Are you getting the point? Z11 of overall two port network is the addition of Z11 of network A and Z11 of network B, and Z12 of overall two port network is Z12 of network A and Z12 V2 is equal to V2 dash plus V2 double dash, right? Again, can we put V2 dash, can we replace V2 dash with equation 2 and V2 double dash with equation 4? Yes, so we can write V2 is equal to, yes, this is a equation 3 and this one is equation 4. Okay, sorry, equation 2 and equation 4. So but again, can we replace I1 dash and I1 double dash with I1 and I2 dash and I2 double dash with I2? Yes. Okay, so further replacing and taking the I1 and I2 common, yes, we can write V2 is equal to Z21 dash plus Z21 double dash into I1 plus Z22 dash plus Z22 double dash into I2. Okay, so we are having V2, that is the output port voltage of overall two port network, in terms of I1 and I2, that is the port currents of overall two port network. So can we say that this term Z21 dash plus Z21 double dash, this is nothing but the Z2 parameter of overall two port network, and Z21 dash plus Z22 dash is the Z22 parameter of overall two port network, right? So here from again we can write equation 5 and equation 6. Equation 5 is the this equation, right? V1 in terms of I1 I2, and equation 6 is the V2 in terms of I1 I2, right? So we can write these two equations from equation 5 and 6. We can write these two equations in matrix form. So we can write V1 and V2 in terms of I1 and I2, okay, which is Z11 dash, Z11 double dash, Z12 dash, Z12 double dash, Z21 dash, Z21 double dash, and Z22 dash plus Z22 double dash, right? Further we can write it as, yes, it is simply a addition, so we can write it as addition of the matrices, right? So are you getting the point? The Z parameters of overall two port network is nothing but the addition of Z parameters of, yes, individual two port networks, right? So Z parameter matrix of network A, Z parameter matrix of network B. Okay, so we can say that the Z parameter matrix of overall two port network is addition of Z parameter matrices of individual two port network. Are you getting the point, right? So when two port networks are connected in series, then the Z parameters of overall two port network is nothing but the addition of Z parameter matrices of individual two port network, right? So suppose if we are having n two port networks, n number of two port networks connected in series, then what will the modification? Yes, instead of only two matrices, we will be having the n matrices, right? N matrices. Okay, let us discuss one example based on, yes, series connection of two port networks. Okay, so here simple example, we can solve this example, yes, by simply applying the KVL also, or we can solve this example with a logic of series connection of two or more two port networks, right? So find Z parameters of the given two port network. Okay, so here we are having two port networks. So this is the one two port network and this one is the second two port network, right? Can you say that these two port networks are connected in series? Yes, because here, yes, whatever the potential difference between here to here, right? Again from here to here, right? So V1 is equal to, it is like V1 dash and this is like V1 double dash, right? So we're having two port networks connected in series. Okay, so same I have represented here. Okay, network 1, network 2, or network A and network B, right? Now again these two networks are identical. Yes, we are having the identical networks. Okay, so we can find the Z parameters of only one network and we can add, or we can simply double it, okay, because it is addition of two port network Z parameters. Okay, so network A and network B are connected in series. Okay, also network A and network B of Z parameters will be same. Okay, using series connection of two port networks. Yes, so further we can draw the network A. This is a network A, right? So can we find the Z parameters of this two port network? Yes, simply applying the KVL or by using the KCL also we can find, right? So V1 is equal to, by applying KVL to the second loop, V2 is equal to I1 plus 2I2, right? Comparing equation 1 and 2, okay, we can get Z11 is equal to 2 ohm, Z12 1 ohm, Z21 1 ohm and Z22 2 ohm. So the Z parameter matrix of network A is 2 1 1 2. Similarly, what is the Z parameter matrix of network B? Again it is same, that is 2 1 1 2, right? So further can we write it as Z parameters of the overall two port network is the addition of the Z parameter matrices, right? So same, it is a 4 2 2 4 ohms. Are you getting the point, right? So when we are having the two two port networks connected in series. Okay, the Z parameters of the overall two port network is nothing but the addition of Z parameter matrices of individual two port networks. Are you getting the point? Okay, so this is the simple one. So this is about the series connection of two or more two port networks, right? In my next video we will discuss about the parallel connection of two or more two port networks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.